Last class we seen geometrical and dimensional constraint and how to apply them. From today it is 3D. Okay. X and Y, two-dimensional. It's 2D. For example, area, length, width,
height.
area. If you want to make into 3D, add height, volume. Understand? Extrude. The command is extrude. Or you can do like this also. Sketch outline. Now control 7. This is the area. Correct. Select the sketch. Features. Extrude. Understood? Volume is done. Similarly, extrude cut. Top line, one area, 50 mm, remove material. Understood this?
50 mm.
Similarly, directly you can go. Here, 2 is there also, 2 will take. Understood? This is volume adding operation. Okay. Understand? If you take like this, it will go one by one. All will be there in the tree. Similarly, revolve. Sketch. Which plane I want. Pen plane. Space bar. Normal. First you have to make an axis. Which are the rectangle axis from here. Slow. Okay. Now I am making my cross section. Axis line it has to close. Exit. Features revolve. This revolve above the axis 360-degree material. Now I want only 45 degrees.
Circle can say circle.
Not circle. With respect to the axis, revolve. Material is adding. First area. Area, volume, height. Similarly, volume added by revolve. Two operation. In this, revolve cut will be there. Revolve cut. Where I want. Select this arrow. Front plane. Already axis is there. I am taking one more axis. From here to here my axis. Now I want to take groove. Midpoint on circle. Here I want regroove. Okay. Here I want rectangular. Understood? Now I want to make symmetric this one. From here to here. Select this one horizontal. Now it has come equal, right? Now exit. Axis. This is my axis. Select the axis. Material. Understood? Once again, you will see directly I can go now. Extrude which plane I want. Front plane. My profile should be closed. It should not be having opening. Like this opening is there, it will not be. This is my profile. Exit. Understood? Now mid plane. Equally from the sketch 20 plus 20 minus. Okay? Tick mark. Select this agency 20. 10 equally divided. again here 50. 50 will be divided as 25, 25. Understand?
Up.
Here 50. Similarly, one second, revolve. Sketch front line. Now I am keeping my center line vertical infinite length. Okay. Now step to pull it. Then close. How to give diameter to it? Dimension, center line, outer line. Can you see diameter? Center line click, select outer line where you want to give diameter. This is radius, this is diameter. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Exit. Click set, revolve. Okay. Now extrude cut, top line. I want to make a rectangular. Here we should go fully through up to last. Up to last is through all. Can you see? Through all. Now what I am doing, again sketch, I am editing. This height alone I am increasing. Can you see? Then everything is increased height, correct?
Yes.
Now also if you go through all it will be there. If you give dimension it will not be there. Why through all is it? Understood? Again. Am I fast or correct? Now to extrude there will be many methods will be there. For that we go with an example. Alright. This one I am extruding, keeping mid plane. Pull this arrow. You can see how much scale. 210, 200. There also will go 80. Can you see?
Yeah.
Now sketch here. Extrude
Up to last. Huh?
up to last you see. Through all. Done. Next. Up to next. To this, what is an explain this one? Can you see? Up to next.
3, 4.
Only what is next phase? To that
Third-
next phase
third
it is
phase.
there. Third phase should not go. Up to next means only one. Next. Up to vertex. I want to up to this point.
Okay.
Can you see? Up to the point I cut will be there. How to see it is here sectioning will be there. Section display. Here, half cut. Which plane you want, keep that plane. Can you see? Up to where this point is selected, straight it is got cut. Understood?
Half.
Again. Up to surface. I want cut up to this surface. Here the cut will stop, but here the cut will remove. Because surface it is stop. See here? Understood?
Yes.
I want to here means I want to give this surface. Correct. Up to surface, up to this surface. Now all the 1, 2, 3, everything will be there. Can you see? You see?
Yes, sir.
Next, up to body it is not there in 3D. Offset from surface. Offset from surface is to this surface, you should offset to 50 mm. From that surface, offset to 50 mm. Can you see? Parallel it has offsetted and it has come here. See here, now I am offsetting 30 mm. So this it cut will be there. Can you see? Here, offset. How to see it? From this surface, offset. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Now, this sketch I am showing. There is also datum planes. Now, I want this sketch to come to this datum plane. This sketch to this datum plane. Right click, edit sketch plane. Which plane does come? To this plane. Okay. Now, there is no surface to stop it. That's why it is red. Now I have to right click, edit definition. I want to make through all both, from center, both the side through all. Can you see? Sketch from here, it has come to center plane. Reference.
Reference.
From here reference to this reference. Now both the sides through all. Understand?
One second, sir.
Now I am building this extrude. This is there in the center plane. I want to bring to this plane. Right click. Edit sketcher plane. Select from which plane to here plane. This plane I want.
Okay.
Can you see? Understood?
Yes, sir.
To this plane does come. Here I can edit where I want to center of this. From here midpoint. Some so and so distance. Correct? This line and this edge, if I select, I'll get midpoint. And from here to this edge, distance 50. Understood?
Okay.
How I am saying? Now this plane I put it in here. I am not doing any operation. Here the sketch is there. Can you see? I keep it here in and can you see the sketch where it is? Now I want this sketch to come to this plane. Right click, edit sketch, bring to right plane. Okay. Same plane it has come there. Okay? X plus extrude, extrude cut. Revolve, revolve cut. In revolve, 45 degree, 180 degree, and then extrude. Stop.